Hello friends, how are you all? Welcome to my channel. I hope you are all fine and doing well. Today I'm going to share with you very beautiful and stylish wooden heel boots for women and girls. So these are very gorgeous and beautiful shoes for those ladies who loves to wear such types of shoes. All designs are so beautiful, stylish and trendy. So friends, I must suggest you to watch this video till the end. My dear friends, now I will tell you the websites from where you can buy these shoes online. So you can buy these shoes from Amazon.com, Etsy.com and AliExpress.com. All these websites are very famous and you can buy all the latest variety of fashion. I always try to show you stylish and latest designs of fashion through my videos. So don't forget to tell me in the comment section. In the comment section you can tell me how was the videos. Please support me by sharing my videos with your friends and family. Thank you so much for watching my video. Videos from my channel can help you. You can get ideas for your shoes shopping from here. And you can easily buy these designs from the market. And you can easily buy these designs from the websites I mentioned. And besides, take good care of yourself. Let us know if you would like to see another design. You can send us your message by commenting. We will definitely bring you a video of what you want to see. So keep watching, keep visiting my channel. Take care. Allah Hafiz.